Hi, Alena here. Cerebro has many messenger integrations. Today, we'll take a look at how it works with Telegram. Integration helps link Cerebro tasks to chats and allows freelancers and clients involved in your project to submit their work or measure results without logging into the system. It also allows you to connect tasks to group chats, to discuss materials and send comments back to Cerebro. You can create chats both in desktop and web versions, as we'll see today. Let's go to Cerebro. You can link both individual tasks and groups of tasks to chats. Now we'll show you how to create a task chat. Go to the task you wish to link and open the menu. Now click on External Chats. There are two options: Telegram and Discord. To create a chat in Telegram, you will need to log into your account using a QR code or your phone number. Once logged in, the system will prompt you to link your Cerebro and Telegram accounts. This will enable you to send messages and files from linked chats directly to the system. Click on the link button and the Telegram bot will tell you what to do. You can skip this step and do it later in your Cerebro account profile. You only need to log into Telegram once. Cerebro will remember the connection, and next time you won't have to log in again to create a chat. You can create a new chat or link a task to an existing one. Let's create a new chat. Once our Telegram chat is successfully created, a link leading to it will appear. You can follow it yourself or send it to your colleagues. Follow the link to the chat. You can already see task messages inside. Users can write messages and attach files, which will be immediately sent to the task. We can see a new message and file in Cerebro. Everything works correctly. All the commands have been delivered. The chat has been updated. Let's go back to group chats. In addition to tasks, we can also link MySpace pages to receive notifications from a group of tasks. Here is an example. This page contains reports for all tasks with the status pending review. You can set up any configuration you need using the available criteria. At the bottom of the page, we see the chat creation button. Please note that in order for it to appear, the page must be saved in the universe. Cerebro bot has been added to the Telegram chat. Now all new reports will be sent here. Let's write a task report. Once finished, it will appear on the dailies page and be sent to the Telegram chat. The report with the file has appeared in the chat. After discussing it, you can send comments back to Cerebro. You can submit a task comment by replying to a message. Everyone liked the new version, so let's go ahead and switch the task status using the status command. We have showed you the possibilities of integration with Telegram. The next video will be about Discord. Let us know if you need any additional info on Telegram chat settings. We'll send it to you. Bye bye!